Oh, look at that. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somchit. Today I'm going to cook clay pot brinjal. I have 800 grams of brinjal, 4 pieces of dry chili, 1 tablespoon of garlic in oil. This is homemade garlic in oil, and this is how it looks like. 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of onion oil. If you do not have the onion oil, you can use normal cooking oil, it's okay. 1/4 teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 stalks of spring onion cut into 1-inch length, 1 yellow onion chopped into small pieces, 250 grams of minced pork, and I'll be using water as well. First, I like to start off with cutting the brinjal. Before cutting the brinjal, we want to prepare 1 basin of water like this because the brinjal is really oxidized very fast. So we need to put it in the water after cutting it. So just cut like this. And I'm going to cut it into long pieces like that. So I'm going to put it in the water. Okay, so the brinjal is ready. Now we're going to cook it. I have preheated the clay pot here. Put in the onion oil. When oil is getting hot, I'm putting in the minced pork. Put in all the light soy sauce. Half of the garlic in oil. Sesame seed oil. Onions. And the dry chili. Give it a stir. Gonna cover the lid and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the minced pork should be cooked by now. Yeah. Now it has a little bit gravy. So I'm gonna add in all the oyster sauce. All of the garlic in oil. Give it a mix. Add in a little bit of water. Just about 1/4 cup of water. Now we're going to put in the brinjal. This brinjal, it looks like a lot, but once it's cooked, and it will be very much lesser. So we're going to put it in. Okay, put it all in. Cover the lid and let it continue to cook for 8 minutes. After about 4 minutes, we need to open and give it a stir. Add on the balance of the water. Cover the lid and let it continue to cook for another 4 minutes. Alright, after 4 minutes, can you hear the sound? It's boiling vigorously in the clay pot. Look at that. All the brinjal is already cooked. Now you can give it a taste. Delicious. It's very sweet and very tasty. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this one, it's already delicious, so I'm not adding any more seasoning. So Last, we're going to put in the spring onions. Give it a stir. And that is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat. This is best served while it's very hot and boiling like this. So we're going to dish out and serve. But before that, I'm just going to leave it covered first to make sure that the food is still very hot. Oh, look at that. If you want, you can sprinkle some chili garlic oil. This is optional. So I'm just going to give it a sprinkle like that. Oh yes. You see, although I have switched off the heat for some time, because the clay pot have retained so much heat, right, and it give out the heat throughout. So it's best to serve it immediately once it's still boiling hot like that. This is best served with rice. So I have a plate of rice here. Let's eat. Take a bit. See, the brinjal is really very soft. Wow, it is so delicious. The minced pork is soft and very tasty. Brinjal is very soft and tender, and it's very nice fragrance. The gravy is tasty, very savory and flavorful, with slightly spicy and very nice fragrance. When eat with rice, it's really delicious. This is simple to cook and can be enjoyable for the whole family. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked food like this. Thank you and bye bye.